I need to show you something that most sellers get completely wrong. Here's a stat that should change everything. 85% of buyers say photos are the most important factor when looking at homes online. Not price, not location, photos. Think about it. When you're scrolling through listings, what makes you stop? It's that first photo. Listings with professional photography get 61% more views and sell 32% faster. That's huge. But here's where it gets even better. Twilight photos as your main image, 76% more views on average. Drone shots make your home stand out from every other listing in the neighborhood. And video, listings with video get 403% more inquiries. Not 40%, 403%. Real quick, before I wrap this up, I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, now back to the takeaway. Here's the reality in 2026. Buyers have more options and they're being pickier. Your listing needs to stop the scroll. If your first photo doesn't grab attention, they'll never see your price, your square footage, or anything else. The visual package is your first showing. Make it count. Thinking about selling? Let's talk about how to make your listing impossible to scroll past.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.